up, y'all? It's your boy D-Trix. We're back at it again with another dance tutorial. Today we're gonna learn 3 hat tricks in 3 minutes. I didn't create these, but I learned these hat tricks along the way of my dance career, and these are 3 simple, easy ones that I actually learned from Slick, from Ring Masters, from ABDC Season 3. I don't know the names of them, but they're awesome, they're fun, and this is how you do them. First trick, here we go. Your boy. First thing you're gonna do is get a new haircut. Second thing you're gonna do, we're gonna learn how to do this move. Oh snap! Did your nipples just get hard? Cause mine did. This trick, it's called the Twisty Floppy Hat. Floppy. What you're gonna do, make your fingers like this. It's very artistic. You're gonna slide your middle finger right behind the brim, and then you're gonna lock these 2 fingers. Now all you're gonna do is you're gonna get probably a manicure. Put pressure on your right ring finger, and you're just gonna twist it to do a full twist. At the same time, I'm doing a 180 degree with my wrist. So again, middle finger down. All you're doing is you're putting pressure on your ring finger, twisting it around, letting go with your index finger, and catching it like that. Watch it again. You're only spinning it 180 degrees, and then you're grabbing with your thumb, and you're twisting your wrist. So that's all it is. You're going halfway, and the rest of the half is just turning your wrist. Boom. And you can do it forward. You can do it sideways. You can do it this side. You can do it without looking. Boom. The hat twisty floppy flip atop a hat. That's how you do it. Next trick you're going to do is the levitating cap north. You're going to go whoop, and you're just going to go whoop. Oh my gosh, look at that. Newton's laws. What goes up must go up. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your finger, your thumb, just like that. You're gonna put the cap, yank, and all you're doing is you're just lifting the finger. And as you do that, the hat naturally comes up. Now to give it more of an illusion, you can blow your hat. Oh! You can like add this little jibbly jabbly phalange thing, and you can stop it from afar. If you're like far away, put me far away. It doesn't look as cool because I'm so far away. So watch. Yup, pretty boring. But if you're up close, hey, look how cool it looks. Last but not least, the last trick but not least is called the last but not least flicker flopper. Here's what it looks like. Let's do that first. Hat comes up like this. Oh, yeah boy. You're gonna bring your hand up like this. If it's flat, it's gonna be much harder. So you're gonna bring your hand up just like so. You're gonna place your hat right at this little wrinkle bit right there. So all you're doing is your hat's going shoop, and your fingers are just literally doing this. And as you do that, once the hat gets here, you just catch. And you can catch it with your hand or in front of you, however you want. But as long as nothing else moves but your fingers, you are good. Boom! And that's how you do the hat flicker flopping. Flip flopper, last but not least, little baby. Alright, and that's how you do the 3 hat tricks. This is your boy D-Trix. Thank you so much. Leave in the comment box below some of your favorite hat tricks. And make sure you like, subscribe, and subscribe to the Dominic Show. Thanks, Matt. Thanks, Matt. Don't take that out. Please, Matt. Leave that in. Matt.
7, 8.